Oh god. Come on, Rowdy.
Attention in the bar. Class 2 of lightweight goats start lining up.
Walk, Rowdy. Oh my god.
You guys are making a show, alright? Nope. He doesn't want to work.
Ooh, he's full of dirt.
Attention in the bar. Class 1 Northern Land will now be entering the ring.
So when Lex pulls harder on that, he's gonna do it even more.
Attention in the bar. Class 2 Northern Land start lining up.
Hope he walks. Come on, Rowdy. Oh my god. What is he doing?
Today he said.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our lamb judge today is Maddie A. Maddie was born and raised in Hondo, Texas, on a small farm where her family has raised medium wool show lambs for over 30 years. Growing up, Maddie showed sheep and pigs, rodeoed, and was actively involved in 4-H, FFA, and sports. She followed her passion for agriculture through college, where she competed on the 2016 National Champion Wool Judging Team, 2017 National Champion Meat Judging Team, and the 2018 Livestock Judging Team at Texas Tech University. Maddie graduated from Texas Tech with a bachelor's degree in animal science with a minor in chemistry in 2019. She is currently in veterinary school at Texas A&M University.
You're not going to show him, Luke.
In her free time, Maddie enjoys working with her pets to present their lamb shows, their lamb flock, as well as traveling and spending time with family and friends. She loves having the opportunity to share her passion for agriculture with the youth through judging and volunteering at stock shows. Let's get a round of applause for Maddie and you.
Roddy was doing a rodeo out there. Look at that one.
Yeah. I think it's the cold weather, babe. I told you I was asleep.
Good morning. Over here on the goat side, not a huge class as far as numbers, but we got some quality in the class. We're going to lead off with a young man in the coral colored, peach colored shirt here. Just a wonderfully to the top of the class. A real balanced goat that you see here. That's what you're going to hear me talk about a lot today. We try in our operation not to raise anything too extreme. We like to stay balanced. This goat just really has a super expressive top. He's real smooth through that loin. He comes into a really nice square hip. He puts himself down on a great set of legs. He's real squared up, structurally sound, and that's what's going to put him up in the top of the class. The young man that comes in second has a goat that